In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell online courses using Circle. So, a versatile platform for community building and course management. Whether you're an experienced educator or a newcomer eager to share your knowledge, Circle.so offers a user-friendly way to bring your courses to life and make them accessible to your audience. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Having access to the administrative panel is your gateway to course creation and allows you to manage all the elements effectively. Once logged in, head over to Spaces, where you'll click on Create Space. This is the area where you'll set up the environment for your course. Your space acts as the dedicated zone where course activities and interactions will take place. Next, you need to define your course in this newly created space. Choose a name that reflects the essence and focus of your course. After naming it, select the space type as Course. And this classification is crucial as it configures the settings best suited for hosting academic content. With your course space ready, proceed by clicking Create. Once your course space is open, the next step is to click into the course space to start building your curriculum. You have the option to create post or create lesson, focusing on structuring how you deliver information to your learners. Craft your course by clicking on Enter Lesson Title. Add comprehensive content to each lesson, which can include text, PDFs, or videos. These varied formats help cater to diverse learning preferences and enrich the student's learning experience. At any point, if you wish to include additional materials, click Attach Files or Media. This optional step can greatly enhance your course, allowing for deeper engagement through supplementary content like infographics or video demonstrations. Once you've uploaded everything needed for a particular lesson, ensure that all materials are in place before moving on. The next major step is setting up access for your course. Scroll to Settings and navigate to Access. Here, you determine access requirements by enabling a paid plan. Select your plan and price point, then make sure to save these changes. This ensures that your course enters the market smoothly, establishing a clear value proposition. To handle payments, click Set up Payment and delve into Payments under Settings. Create a plan by entering the plan